Welcome to Food Fandom.
Audio Jungle.
Mutton bone soup. For that, I have taken 200 grams of mutton with bone, 5 shallots or small onion finely sliced, 1 small size potato chopped, 1 small size tomato chopped, curry leaves, mustard seed. This is mutton curry masala, 2 teaspoon grated coconut, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, oil, ginger garlic paste. Let's start. In the cooker I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is heated. I'm going to add the mustard seed. Then I'm adding the curry leaves. Then I'm adding the sliced onion. And get seasoned. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Stir it well until the raw smell goes. Then I have added the potato, tomato, saute it well. To this I have added a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of mutton curry masala. Mix it well. Then I have added the mutton pieces with bone. Stir it well. Then I'm going to add requisite salt. After adding salt, I'm going to add the grated coconut of 2 teaspoons. Mix it well. And I'm adding 50 ml of water to this. This mutton soup is to be watery, so you can add Stir it well. Keep this for 5 minutes. Water started boiling. I'm going to cook this for 7 whistles. This is frozen mutton. If the meat is tender, you can keep it for 4 whistles. I'm going to cover whistles. The mutton bone soup is ready. If required, you can add some water and check the spice and salt. And stir it. The mutton bone is cooked well. It's ready to serve. Spicy mutton bone soup is ready. I'm going to serve this with rice and scrambled egg. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Comment your feedback. Try this recipe.